everyone, this is Jessie with Practical Revolution, and this morning I just cut some mint with Julianne. She's from Dirtpatcheaven, and I'm going to show you some uses for some mint. I like to add mint to water. It can really up your water intake. That's really good. I've also added mint to smoothies. It goes really good with blueberry. Another thing is you can take the leaves off. If you don't feel like drying it, you can add it to ice cubes, and you can add it to things like water and tea, or any other drink you'd like. Speaking of tea, I'm actually going to dry all this today, just by getting some yarn and tying it up like this. Because I love mint tea. But another thing you can do with mint is add it to things like soap. Which I'm going to try that next week with goat milk soap. There's so much goat milk right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang this up. And there's some simple ways just to use some mint. Hope you liked the video, and please like and subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you. Last week, I cut some motherwort, and it's supposed to be really good in tea. I'm excited to try it. Julianne told me that it actually helps with cramps and stomach aches, so that's nice. And then this is some mint that I just cut up this morning with Julianne as well. And I'm just going to dry it and use it in tea as well. I'm going to see what the motherwort and the mint tastes like together. I think it'd be a good combo.